I'll show you a few steps in how to upload your video assignment into the Panopto. So first, make sure you are on the correct module or unit. Click on the tile where the assignment has been set up. Once you are on that, make sure you click on the link that looks with the green icon that looks like Panopto. On this activity, you will have a couple of information. One is the release date, which is the date where you will be starting uploading your submission. The due date, which is again is the deadline for submission, and also the cutoff date. The cutoff date normally works if this is actually included within the late submission. So if your partnership allows late submission of 7 days or 3 days or even 2 days, then the cutoff is going to be set up as well. If on this one there is no cutoff, then the same due date and the cutoff will be appearing as the same date as you can see on this video. Now, the process is really simple. Click on Add Panopto Submission. Here a new window will come up and then you will be able to see 3 options here. Now the first option, if you have done a video with Panopto, it should come up here on this small box. If not, second option is upload. Here, if you have used a different video tool to create your own video, you can upload it and then you can place it on your Panopto assignment activity. Third option is to use this video capture to create your own video. Now, on this situation, there are 2 options. One, you can use the browser to create your video, and second, use the application for Panopto. In this situation, we are using a Mac computer, so it will show you that the application for Mac is this one. If you're using a Windows computer, it will be the same, but it will say Mac, but it will say Windows. So for this video, what we're going to do is going to use the browser. So in order to use the browser, click on Launch. A new tab will come up and will bring these couple of options. So you have 3 options on the top: audio, video, and screening apps. Now, if you require that you need to share your screen, follow these instructions. You have again the 3 options: either the window, where either a presentation or any other documents you want to present, you can select it, or you can screen your entire screen. Once you have decided, all you need to do is click on the record button and then start talking and creating your video. Once you have completed with the video, make sure you click on the stop button. This Panopto will automatically set up your video and upload it onto the Moodle website. So here, as you can see, everything is working on the background. Once you see video is ready, then it's all set up. Coming back into this option, you will be able to see that the option is there. Click on that and press insert. Once you have inserted, this will take you back into your Moodle website or your module, and then you will be able to see that the video has placed it as a preview. Now here, if your video is your final video and you want to submit it, click on submit video. If for any situations you need to replace it, click on the replace button and this will take you back into the new window where you can restart the steps. Once you have decided that this is your final video, click on submit and you have submitted your video assignment. Press continue and now you can see that your video has actually submitted. As you can see, the submit button has changed to gray. This is the confirmation that you will be able to find out that you have. Now, the replace button is still going to be there until the deadline. Please keep an eye that if you need to replace your video assignment after the due date, you will not be able to do it. So make sure that if any changes needs to be done, have to be before the deadline. For any information, Any additional information, please get in contact with the LRT at globalbanking.ac.uk. Thanks for watching.